Welcome, this is Saranan, Assistant Professor, Department of AI&DS, working in KIT, Kalangar Karnataka Institute of Technology. I am going to handle the subject Design and Analysis of Algorithm. The topic is Traveling Salesperson Problem using Branch and Bound Techniques. So, problem statement. If there are n cities and cost of traveling from any city to any other city is given, then we have to obtain the cheapest cost. Such that each city is visited exactly one only, and returning to the source node, starting node, computes a tour. We will first compute the lower bounds. The lower bound is denoted by the LB. Lower bound is developed by or denoted by the LB and can be obtained using the formula LB equal to summation of. This is the formula for LB equal to sum of cost of two least cost edges. We have to select the two least cost edges adjacent to be divided by 2. So this is the formula. Consider the example. So we will first update the lower bound value. So how to calculate the lower bound means adjacent of two least cost, sum of cost of two least cost edges adjacent to B. For example, I am going to take the value A means what is the least cost of A? There is a number of adjacents to the A, to B, D, C. In these we have to select the least cost. Least cost here 1 plus 3 only least cost. Same like B. B the least cost is 3 plus 6. C the least cost is 1 plus 2 and D the least cost is 3 plus 4 and the least cost is 2 by 3 divided by 2. So total value is 14. So because we are choosing the selected value, this is our lower bound value. So AC is nothing but least cost plus AB is another least cost. So only AC plus AB. Same like B, same like C, same like D and same like E. We are choosing the least cost of two adjacent node. First step. Second, hence we obtain the lower bound value adjacent to a distance of all the vertices. This forms the root of the state space tree. Then we consider A to B, A to C, A to D, A to E. We have to consider the all state space tree. Then have to level 3 we can consider the ABC. First we have to consider the AB, AC, AD, AE. Then again ABC, ABD, ABE. Then at level 4 we consider the ABCD and ABCE. Then ABDC. In these we have to find out the shortest tour. Okay. First we have select the lower bound value. Again we have to choose the AB. Compulsorily we have to choose the AB value. Remaining value we can choose the any node. Consider a small example for this. Consider the node AB. AB is I am going to calculate. So AB means A equal to A we have to choose the path A and B. Compulsorily we have to choose the path A and B. So in this we have to choose the path A and B. Okay. Then remaining elements should be minimum element. Remaining element should be remaining element. So AB plus AC equal to 3 plus B. Again B, we have to choose the element A hyphen B plus BC 3 plus 6. For same like C, A to C, C to E. Here the AB is not available, so not able to choose the value AB because edge A and B is not adjacent to C. Again D we are choosing, here also we cannot consider the A and B. E we are choosing, we are not considering the A and B. So total cost should be 14 for node 1. Similarly we have to calculate the node C, A to C. Here compulsorily we have to choose the value AB, AC here. In the B also we can choose the AB, BC. Here AC is not available, so we can choose the next least cost value. Similarly for C, D and E. D and E are A to C is not available, so lower bound equal to 14. So same like concept like node 3 also AD. AD means we have to choose the AD value here. Then AE means we have to choose the AE value here. Then we have to choose the edges like third edges where 3 A, B, C means we have to choose the value AB again BC. There are wherever possible. So for example A equal to AB, then AC here. AB we are choosing the here. Then AB, then AC. But for the B node also we can choose the AB and BC. For C node also the minimum distance AC is included here. AC is included here. So ABC means we have to choose the value AB and BC. Again D node we also choose the value DE and DC. Okay, 3 plus 4. Similarly, we have to calculate the AB, BC and CD also. AB, BC, CD means we have to calculate all the nodes AB, AC, AB and AE. For node 11, AB, BC, AB, BD and DE in the computation. We have to choose the value AB, AC. So what are the possible solutions? We have to calculate that. We have to calculate the possible solutions. So finally we got the solutions. AB, DE, CA is the lower bound compared with the is the shortest path. Compare with the it is the shortest path for traveling salesman problem. Thank you.